Beautiful. Okay, people, so this is our season of choice today. We have some thyme, we have some pimento, and some pepper, garlic, onion. You know, you can't live with garlic because some garlic in their food. Nah, but it's flavorful, you know what I mean? We have some scallion, we have a Maggi all purpose, we have the chicken season, we have some garlic powder. I know we can't live with browning, you know what I mean? We have red, oh, this we have a jerk season, better pack. And we have some chicken season. Yeah, and that's basically it. We don't need the salt because this alone have all the salt we're gonna use. So let's get into it, you know what I mean? So we have everything washed off. We cut up with season now. We'll add it to oxtail. Pepper, thyme, garlic, yeah. So we are rubbing all of them here. Then we'll put in the powder season. It's a my kind of strategy what I like for do. Like rubbing my my dry season last. I didn't know the purpose. Chicken season. Garlic powder. Jerk season. Last but not least, we're browning. People, the aroma where I come up, oh my, wonderful. See there? I'll put it for rest, marinate for overnight. And tomorrow now, hit that. Yeah, people, so after a day and a half, well marinate, it smells so good. We have a pressure. I use a pressure pot today, people. You know what I mean? I add in my oil. Add in my oil. So with the pressure now, you get pressure of 45 to 50 minutes depending on how soft you want your oxtail. And we're gonna add it in. Alright people, after 45 minutes, so look, you know what I mean? Well tender. We're adding a re-seasoned pot. I'm adding my butter bean. Yeah man, I get like 10 more minutes. Adding my butter bean. I get like 10 more minutes. And that's it. Look at that, people. Beautiful.